Hello, in this video, we will look at passing arguments by position or by keywords. Let's look at this function, n_println. This is the message, and this is the number of times the message is going to be printed. So this is the implementation of the function. You print this message n times. When you invoke n_println, you're going to pass these two arguments. So here, by position, the first one is message, and the second one is n. So this, you're going to print this a 3 times. Now, you can also pass it using the keyword arguments. So in the position arguments, you have to match the position, and you have to pass it in the correct order. So this is, the first one is for message, the second one is for n. Now, use the arguments, you can invoke this print, this n_println with this n is 5, message is good. So they can be in different order because the keyword tells you which one is for which. So the good is for message and 5 is for n. You can mix positional arguments with keyword arguments, but the positional arguments cannot appear after any keyword arguments. So look here, this is the function f with parameters f p1, p2, and p3. So when you pass it here, is 30 is passed to p1, and this p2 is now 4, and p3 is 10. So when you invoke this here, this is correct. So this is all the keyword arguments, but this is incorrect because here's the keyword arguments. After the keyword arguments, you cannot have the positional arguments. That is all for this section on positional and keyword arguments. See you on the next video.